So let's discuss a problem from GATE 2021 physics, which is from quantum mechanics. So it is related to the bosons which we have to keep in one-dimensional infinite potential well, and we need to find the energy of the third excited state. So the problem is as follows: three non-interacting bosonic particles of mass m each. So these are the boson particles, they are non-interacting. So important property of bosons is that we can fill any number of any number of bosons in a given energy level. You can fill a given energy state with 1 2 3 4, like any number of bosons. But in case of fermions, each state must be occupied by only one fermionic particle. But in the case of bosons, any number of bosons can occupy that particular energy state, and are in a one-dimensional infinite potential well of width A. So they are in a one-dimensional infinite potential. So this is nothing but one-dimensional infinite potential well. So v is equals to infinity and v is equals to 0 inside everywhere, and it is of width A, that is it starts from 0 to A, or we can say it is from minus A by 2 to plus A by 2, like that. The energy of the third excited state of the system is, so what they have given is third excited state's energy is x into h cut square pi square by ma square, and we need to find out x, and it has to be in terms of integer. So here, now finally we need to find which is the third excited state and its corresponding energy, and from that we need to find out x. So here we need to assume h cut square pi square by ma square has k. So in general we know the formula for energy for a one-dimensional potential well, that is En is equal to n square pi square h cut square by 2ma square. So this is the basic formula. So in the question they have already given pi square h cut square by ma square. So this was given pi square h cut square ma square into x, it was given. So this entire thing we are taking it to be k, pi square h cut square by ma square, and other than it is nothing but n square by 2, we can see. So other than pi square h cut square by ma square, that is nothing but n square by 2. So this we can treat it as constant k, so n square k by 2. So where k is nothing but pi square h cut square by ma square, and n can take the values from 1 2 3 and so on, like that. So now we need to arrange these three bosons. So they have given the three non-interacting bosonic particles in that system. In that particular system there are three bosons. So what we need to do is we need to fill the energy levels with three bosons accordingly. So accordingly we need to find which is the ground state, which is the first excited state, then second, then third, then comes third. First comes ground state, then first excited state, then second, and finally third. So from lower to higher order energies. So we need to find which energy is the lowest one, and which from that we need to go. And the lowest energy is nothing but ground state energy, and remaining all the energies would be first, second, third, in the increasing order of magnitude of energy. So first of all, what we are doing is we are filling all the three bosons in the first n is equals to 1 level. So so this is the lowest possible energy, we can say. So this could be regarded as ground state energy. This is the only possible minimum value we can achieve. So energy of bosons, all the three bosons in this particular state is 1 square by 2, n value 1, k, again plus 1 square by 2 k energy, and again 1 square by 2 k. For this is for first, second, and third bosons, all the three bosons. So all of them added up together, what we will get, 1 square k by 2 is nothing but k by 2. So on adding all of them, we would get 3k by 2. So this is nothing but 3k by 2. 3 by 2 is nothing but 1.5. So uh, 1.5k. So this is the final energy in this case. And next, in the next case, what we are doing is we are just sending one of the bosons to the next higher energy level, that is n is equals to 2. So that is the thing we have done here. And let us see what is the energy we are getting in this case. So this is for these two bosons, 1 square by 2, 1 square by 2. So as they are in the first energy state, and this is for this boson which is in second energy level, n is equals to 2. So 2 square by 2k. So 4 plus 1 plus 1, that is 6 by 2. 6 by 2 is nothing but 3. So 3k. And next, what we are doing is we are sending another boson to the second energy level. Out of the three bosons, already we have sent one boson, and next another boson we are just sending it to another higher energy level. So in this case, for this boson, energy is 1 square by 2k, that is n square by 2k. And for this it is 2 square, for this also it is 2 square by 2k. So overall, if we add up, what we would get, 1 plus 4 plus 4, that is 9 by 2k. That is 9 by 2 is nothing but 4.5. So this is the energy we are getting. And next case, what we are doing is we are shifting, we are just doing this procedure so that to find which is the first excited state, which is the second excited state, and which is finally the third excited state. So we should not miss not even single energy combination in this case, because we need to go from lower to higher value. So here we can see all the bosons are in second energy state. Second, that is n is equals to, sorry, all the bosons are in n is equals to 2th level. So energy of boson in that level is nothing but single boson is n square by 2k, that is 2 square by 2 into k. So as there are 3 bosons, so 3 into 2 square by 2k. So 2 would get cancelled, here 1 2, here 1 2, so 3 2s are 6, so 6k. And next is, now what we are doing is, instead of sending the third most boson to the second energy level, we are sending it to the n is equals to 3th level. N is equals to 3th level, because 3th level means 3 square 9. So let us see what comes here. So for the first two bosons which are in n is equals to 2th level, 1 square by 2, 1 square by 2, this is for these two bosons. And for this boson, 3 square by 2. So 9 plus 1 plus 1, that is 11 by 2, that is 5.5k. And next is, we can consider this case also. Each boson being in first boson being in first, second boson being in 2, third boson being in n is equals to 3. So we are just examining all these possibilities, then finally we will find out which is the first, which is the second, like that. So here, for this is for first boson, which is in n is equals to 1, 1 square by 2. This is for this 2 square by 2 k, and this is for 3 square by 2 k. So 9 plus 4 plus 1, so that is nothing but 14 by 2k, that is nothing but 7k. So these are all the possibilities. Now we need to arrange them in increasing order of the magnitude, so that we can decide which is ground state and which is first. So out of all of them, this is the lowest one. So this is the lowest one, so hence this is a ground state, 1.5k. And next is, we need to see for first excited state. So 5.57, 4.56, 3k. So this is the first excited state next to ground state. Now we need to find out which is the second excited state. So 4.56, 5.57. So this is the second excited state. Second excited state. And next 4.5, after that 6k 7k are there which are higher and for higher, and this is the third excited state, which is our required energy in the third excited state. So this is the answer, and that is nothing but 5.5. 5.5, but they have asked us to find it in terms of an integer. We have to need to write it in terms of integer. So 5.5 can be rounded off to 6. So this is one possible case, or else maybe we cannot take it as 5 or 6. So if we take average of 5 plus 6, 5 plus 6 by 2, that is 11 by 2 is nothing but 5.5. So it is in between 5 and 6. So for this can be, because they said to mention the answer in integer but not in decimals, so it can be 5. 5 you can write it as 5, or else 6 is also is the answer. So in the answer key it was 5 or 6. So both we can write here, because they asked us to find in integers. If it were in decimals, we could have written 5.5. So this is the answer for this problem. So thank you.